As the holiday season unfolds, we're reminded of the magic that comes from giving, not just material gifts, but the intangible treasures of love and kindness. In a world that often feels divided, your love can be the light that warms hearts and bridges gaps. It needs compassion that listens, patience that understands, and kindness that reaches out to those in need. These simple acts may seem small, but their ripple effect can create waves of hope and healing. Love has the power to heal wounds, unite strangers, and remind us of all of our shared humanity. It's in the warm embrace of a friend, the smile given to a stranger, and the time spent with someone who needs it most. It doesn't require wrapping paper or ribbons, it only asks that we open our hearts. This season, let's choose to give the greatest gift of all, our love. Call someone you haven't spoken to in a while. Forgive where there's been hurt. Share your time, your warmth, and your care with those around you. In giving love, we not only bless others, but also enrich our own hearts. Together, through small but meaningful actions, we can create a world where kindness flourishes and love becomes the gift that keeps on giving. Let's make this season one of connection, compassion, and boundless love. Because truly, there's no greater gift than love.